What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is GB and Merce. This is my third Nclex tip. If you haven't subscribed earlier, make sure you hit the subscribe button in the right hand corner and make sure you hit the bell so you don't forget some of these videos. Let me know what you think too, as well as commenting. So my third Nclex tip I'm going to give you to help you prepare for the exam is relax. What I mean by relaxing is, laying out the pool, finding relaxation techniques. Make sure you avoid excessive alcohol, because if you're hungover too much, you really don't want to study at all. So that's a big thing too. Make sure you work out, keep the mind fresh. So that's the biggest thing, is keeping your mind fresh, finding relaxation techniques. You got to have something that you enjoy doing at home, whether it's sewing or listening to music or finding hobbies, because that's important when you're preparing for the Nclex. Now, I'm just laying out here. It's Ohio. It's beautiful today. It's the day after Memorial Day, and I'm just relaxing on my day off after working out. I had a shift yesterday. It's pretty rough. Not gonna lie. I hung out with some work buddies afterwards, but I'm just trying to find ways to cope and relax. And sometimes when you keep on going in overdrive studying, you kind of burn out. And that's the same thing with nursing school, with burning out. So that's one thing, is you don't want to forget your relaxation techniques when you're studying or relaxing. I know it's pretty hot out right now, but I'm really enjoying my time out here. This is what you got to do to prepare for the exam. You got to take breaks. You got to watch when you're drinking too much, because if you drink too much and you're hungover the next day, you really don't want to do anything. You just don't want to study. You lose time studying for the exam. So a lot of people that I went through in nursing school, they were very burned out. And one time we all sat together and we said, hey, what do you guys do, to try to get your mind off exams? And we just talked about our hobbies. Like, I like working out. College football helped me a lot. Sleep really was a big difference too, with helping fight the burnout and the anxiety and everything preparing for the Nclex. So make sure you get about 6 to 8 hours of sleep. I know it's hard. A lot of you guys that are PCAs or just aides or STNAs, or if you're working your other job and you're working night shift and stuff, try to get some sleep so that you can have a habit and a routine. That's huge. If you're exercising, if you're taking care of yourself, that's going to help you, live a healthy and happy life. And, at my age, at 33, I'm going to tell you too, the hangovers, it's almost like a 2-day hangover. So, it kind of adds up over time. So that's what you need to do to prepare for the Nclex. I know it's hard, especially when you pass in the spring semester and you're laying out in the pool and stuff, and everybody wants to go out and stuff, but you got to put some time in to get ready for the exam. Make sure you're getting some sleep. I know that you're probably partying, that you finished nursing school or LPN school or anything like that, but really, take care of yourself. Get some rest, get some sleep. Don't drink too much. That's going to really add up over time. When I graduated from nursing school, especially the accelerated nursing program, I was partying a little bit, and I'm not going to lie, I gained a little bit of percentage of body fat. I weighed 175 pounds. That was the most I ever weighed. Don't get me wrong, I was lifting real heavy, but I looked at myself in the mirror and I definitely lost my six-pack. So I had to do some interval training and really slim down. I had to play catch-up a little bit to lose my body fat, so it really caught up with me. And I was 27 at the time, and my metabolism was still fast, but you start partying and drinking and doing all that, it really catches up with you. So that's one thing that you need to keep an eye on. Another thing is, with sleep, that's huge. That helps out with your metabolism. That helps out with your fresh state. Oh, Jesus, towel's getting in my way. And you can tell my shirt just blew over to the side. So that's something that you really, need to incorporate in your preparation for the Nclex. That'll help you stay mentally fresh. As they always say, recharge your battery. It'll really help you get ready for the Nclex. So if you guys are reading this or watching this, I really appreciate you guys commenting on a lot of my videos. Feel free to subscribe, hit the like button and the comment. I love reading your comments. I mean, it's great to hear, you know, my previous video that I had about somebody emailing me about their, they were very upset that they didn't pass the Nclex. And to see some of your comments about, you know, keeping your head up, telling this person to keep their head up, and I really hope that they end up passing. So, you know, I appreciate you guys being really active on my channel. And again, this channel's for you guys. Another thing, right before I get going, I want to thank MLBshop.com for my new affiliation. I'll put the link down below in my video. So, you know, if you guys are big into Major League Baseball, you know, I kind of like fashion a little bit, so you can wear an MLB hat, or you can wear an MLB jersey or so, you know, look a little flashy, wear a nice watch with it too. So you can enjoy that as well. So you guys have a great Tuesday, and hopefully you guys have the energy from Memorial Day, because I know a lot of us did a little bit of partying. All right, you guys have a good one. Take care, and don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, comment, and hit the bell. Take care.